Standing here, I can feel the cool mist from the waterfall kissing my face, a refreshing reminder of nature's power. The sound of rushing water drowns out the world, creating a symphony of peace and wildness. Each drop glistens in the soft light, revealing the vibrant greens of moss-covered rocks that seem to cradle this majestic cascade. This place feels timeless, a hidden gem where the earth breathes and whispers secrets to those who listen. It's moments like these that remind me how small we are in the grand tapestry of nature, yet how deeply connected we can feel. Here, in this serene chaos, I find clarity and inspiration.